Yeah, take it all. Ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it.
Hey, what is up, everybody? Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today, what we're doing is we're going to be installing my Megan Racing mid-pipe, and this is what it looks like. I have my box right here. This is it. Already got the car jacked up and ready to go. So I'm kind of in a time crunch, so I'm just gonna tackle this and try to get it off. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys. So I just got the front bolts taken off, so you can see it hanging there, and I got everything taken off. Having trouble with this O2 sensor, as you guys can imagine. Hopefully I'll be able to get that out once I get it down, and then now I just gotta get those bolts over there, and then I will get this off. All right, guys, got the exhaust down. Now I can get this O2 sensor off and get, oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. Get the new Megan Racing mid-pipe on. So yeah, right here was super easy to get off because I already have a catback exhaust up here. So the bolts were already, they're stainless steel, they're new, they're nice. And up there, yeah, I have the new headers and everything, but because those get so hot that they were pretty seized, pretty freaking hard to get off, but still got them off. Now I just gotta get this O2 sensor off, and then we can put the new one on. So yeah, it should be pretty simple beyond this point. The hardest part is always getting it off. The easy part is putting the new piece on. So yeah, let's do this. All right, guys, we have got ourselves in a little dilemma. So that's stripped, and now I can't get it off. So the O2 sensor, oh yeah, it's stripped. So the only way to get this off of the car is to cut this. Now I know this is gonna make a lot of you cringe, and it's gonna make me cringe too, but it has to be done. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a lot easier than that, but it's not, and now my scissors just broke. Are you fucking kidding me? My scissors just broke. Alright, I fixed my broken scissors, so. Jesus Christ, this is like impossible. Come on. Cut. Alright, I'll just come back when this shit is cut. Alright, guys, after going at this for like literally 5 minutes, it finally cut off. Now, let me get out. It is 30 degrees, just so you guys know, and my hands are so numb, and this sucks. But it'll all be worth it when I have this on. So, yeah, this is it. Still a little comparison, actually, since we got them next to each other. Bam. Looking good. Nice. Now this monster catalytic converter replaced with this high flow resonator, or whatever you guys want to call it. Really. Resonator, muffler kind of, or high flow cat. You guys can call it whatever you want. But nice. Now I can just slap this on really quick and we can get on the install. Alright, guys, I got it all lined up, got it all bolted down. Now we just gotta start it up and see See how much better it sounds, or louder, I should say. Okay, yeah, start it. Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's about a week later since we installed the Megan Racing mid-pipe, and it's pretty loud. Here's a cold start. Morgan, turn it on. Yeah, so as you guys can hear, it is like very loud at first, and then as it's warming up, like right now, when it's idling, sorry, I don't have my tripod. Like while it's idling, it gets like really deep, and Morgan has to get home. So yeah, that's my thoughts on it. It's very loud. I'm gonna get another catback exhaust that has 2 mufflers on it instead of like no resonator and no muffler at all. I don't want it straight pipe, just way too loud. But yeah, that's my thoughts on it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace out.
I played the game and I'm still the same, and I never changed just to get a deal, but I'm ballin'. I came from nothing to something like